Pals. Welcome back to Pokemon Mystery Dungeon. Finally making another episode. It feels like we didn't make enough episodes like the last couple of days.
Yeah, but it's just like, Tuesday is not one of our regular scheduled days.
And she didn't come over, so we
Yeah.
couldn't record anyway. Also, we hadn't had like any important things happening. Like, it was just like dungeons, like boring stuff. So I did that off camera.
Yeah.
And now we got to like an important part. I just ranked up to bronze rank on our team, gold bond.
Oh yeah, yeah.
And so I got a cutscene. So let's hope that I quick saved at the right moment to where we still have it.
Quick restore.
Quick restore. Almost press quick save. Didn't we do good today? Let's call it a night and get some rest. Okay, see you tomorrow.
Okay, press the touch.
Oh yeah, touch. I forgot about that. The rescue team members dispersed to their friend areas.
That's retarded. They need to fix that.
Yes, honestly. Would you like to save your adventure? No. The next morning. Can I just press to walk?
Wow.
Oh my god, I can press to walk. That's crazy. Can you do that in dungeons too?
If you can, why?
But you still need to press to go to your moves or whatever.
Yeah.
Good morning, Jacqueline. Let's do it again today. And who's this? Jacqueline, take off. Huh? Who was that? Yeah, me too, Trigo. Who was that? Oh, it's
That's
Caterpie.
Caterpie.
Who was Caterpie?
You were Caterpie.
I forgot.
I don't remember his voice for it, but I was Butterfree.
Oh my god. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm going to check Caterpie's voice.
We're back.
Yeah, we figured out what Caterpie's voice is.
Yeah.
And it's basically just Trico, but slightly different. Like every other voice I do.
Literally.
Oh, I forgot. Oh, Jesus. That's loud. Yep.
Oh, jeez, that is loud.
Please. Please.
Yeah.
Please. Please help my friend. What's the matter? I was playing with my friend Metapod. Of course, Metapod's not highlighted. Did you notice that?
Why?
But Metapod got lost in the woods. He's still lost out there. Oh my god. Oh, I see. That does sound bad.
I will. I'll be right back. I gotta go feed that dumb pumpkin.
Okay, I'll be every single character. Hey, what do you think you're doing?
It's Charizard.
No. The meanie guys, they came and they're gonna, like, do bad things to Caterpie or something. I don't know. What? Jacqueline's feeding it. Hey, what do you think you're doing? Have no fear. We're here to save your chum Metapod. Hold on. Caterpie came to us for help. Keh, you think you can do this rescue with your amateur skill levels? What did you say? It doesn't matter who does the rescuing, see? The guy that does the rescuing gets to be the hero. Listen, Caterpie, how about we do this? How about you give me the reward? How about you give the reward to the team that brings back your chum first? But I I don't have any money. Oh, don't you worry about that, my little friend. I'm sure we can persuade your parents to reward us with interest afterward. What Gengar's gonna do is Gengar's gonna go find Metapod. Whoever finds Metapod first gets the reward. And Caterpie doesn't have any money, so Gengar said if Caterpie doesn't have any money, he'll force his parents to give him money. It's really mean. Ah, my freaking Jesus.
Can't see it.
Oh yeah. You can even join our team. There's an offer you can't refuse. It's an offer he can refuse whenever he wants, so die. When you join us, Caterpie, we'll let you be a big wheel in Team Meanies. I hate Gengar's voice. It makes my throat so dry. Because it's basically just like really exhaley. That's the deal, Jacob. The first to rescue wins. Come on, move. Let's get this done already.
Let's get the what?
This done already. Let's get this done already. Don't worry, we'll save your friend first. Jacqueline, let's get going.
Check the mailbox.
You
don't have to. You don't. Remember, you don't have to press touch.
I know, but I want to. What am I doing with my life?
You have to go to the board.
I'm shopping first.
I gotta shop.
See if there's anything good. Something good we can get. Oh my god, who's gonna be who? I'm the purple one.
No, remember.
I already said I was the purple one.
Oh, yeah.
Because I'm already a green lizard.
Go.
He's gonna sound exactly like Trico, because they're both lizards, they have the same voice. Welcome to Cochleon Wares, the shop for orbs and TMs. Oh dear me. My friend, you've run out of space for my wares. Oh my god, I can't have any wares. Oh my god, don't touch the microphone, Jacob. Let's go store some of my wares. Hopefully there's some good wares I can give to Kangaskhan.
Be Kangaskhan.
I'm Kangaskhan? Aren't you?
Yeah, what is Kangaskhan sound like?
Kangaskhan's like a loving mother.
So, like... So, I don't know.
What do you want to store? You can choose more than one item using L or R. Like, just like soothing, normal, motherly voice.
Oh, okay.
You have to have emotion, and when you talk, you can't be like,
I know.
what do you want to store? You can choose more than one
I'm
item.
not an idiot. What do you want to store? You can choose more than one item using L or R.
Good. Okay, we have some... Orangeberry.
Store all the orange berries except for 2.
Yeah, that's a good idea. We have more orangeberries in here, though.
I don't get those. And the third orange berry.
No, because that's the second one.
Oh, yeah, that's... No, it isn't. Orange berry. Oh, no, save one for Lydia. So I have 3 orange berries.
Okay.
I'll put the items you chose in storage, okay?
Okay.
Okay, store it away. You can count on me, honey.
Yeah. No, I don't want to store anything else. No.
Thank you.
Now I can buy something from Kecleon, hopefully. Hopefully a good attack. Welcome to Kecleon Wares, the shop of orbs and TMs. Ah, very well.
Oh my God.
Do examine my merchandise. I have chosen it with pride. Frustration? No. Let's go see if we can buy anything from Wigglytuff. Let's be friends. Ta. That's my favorite voice now. Friends are my treasures. Welcome to the Wigglytuff Club, a circle of friends. Oops. You can't add to your friend areas. Thank you. Come again. We're all friends, friend. Yeah, the fact that you need to say friends so many times kind of probably means that we're not friends and you're going to like secretly murder me in my sleep.
Where are you going?
To Caterpie's thing.
Yeah.
We're going on a special mission today. This ain't no regular dungeon, honey. This is Sinister Woods.
Is this where we find the nuns?
Why would we find nuns in the woods?
Sinister.
Like Sister Woods?
Yeah.
No. This must be it. Metapie's lost somewhere in these woods. Gengar's gang should be in there already. We need to hurry. Oh, we should have brought Lydia. Because I can guarantee you we're going to have to fight Gengar and his team.
Oh.
Hopefully so. Well, that was easy. Can I just be like... Go. There. Are you serious? Really, though?
I guess so.
Oh my god. Anything interesting happened to you lately, Jacqueline? Like any interesting,
no.
any juicy tea to spill?
Uh-uh.
Nothing?
Nope.
Didn't do anything?
Nope.
Well, I played Maple Story for like 2 days, and I got a character up to level 61, I think.
That was...
My Cannoneer, and it really sucks. I hate my Cannoneer, and I hate the Cannoneer class. I'm never playing it again.
And wait, who was it?
What?
That was Sol?
No, that was Sun. Sun Wukong.
He's level 61.
Yes. Wait, did I just randomly use an Oranberry on accident? Oh my god, no, I'm done with that, because I can't run. That's a dead end room. We gotta find Metapod. How many floors is this?
Probably
like 10.
I think it's a 9.
Really? I wasn't paying attention.
I think it's a 9.
What'd you do yesterday? Why were you gone?
I was at my house hanging out with my niece, and then we went on a bike ride, and then we were gonna stop here, but then we saw her mom. So then we chased after her mom, and then we went to my brother's house.
Why didn't you come over like when you guys were hanging out?
Because her mom was...
Before you went on your bike ride.
Oh, because Emma was getting ready, like packing up all her things, because we were about to call her mom.
So literally, she got there. The only thing you did was immediately call her mom.
No.
You obviously had off time.
No. Brooklyn made us cinnamon rolls. So then me and Emma obviously ate them. Then Brooklyn went with my sister, and then all we did was hang out, and I asked her if we can come over here. Is that what you're asking me?
Yeah, why didn't you?
Oh, sorry. Oh, because Emma didn't want to come over here.
Oh. Okay then, I feel abandoned.
Why do you feel that?
Because I don't hate her.
She doesn't hate you.
Well, if she doesn't want to come over, then she obviously does. I'm kidding, I don't care. Da-da-da.
Oh, there's one of these.
What do you mean one of these?
Oh, there's a circle around you.
Oh, I think it's getting darker.
Yeah.
I think
No chiz.
I think it is, because we're in like the middle of the woods. It totally is getting darker. Oh my god, I don't want to deal with this. Just go away. Trico, kill them in one hit, please. Thank you. No. Okay, let's go, Trico. Good job, Tree. My god, we get it. You're leveling up. Quick attack. That's good. I did it. I leveled up. Congratulations, Dakoff. You leveled up once. Golly gee. Oh, you're almost the same level as me. Oh my god. Please just kill this stupid
What,
thing.
Jacob?
What?
What did you say about Chico?
I said he's almost the same level as me.
Same level as me.
Yeah.
Not you. Me. Oh, what floor are we on?
I
6.
have no clue.
Don't tell us that. Okay, 6.
We have to have something to talk about, Jacqueline. Otherwise, this episode is just gonna be stupid, redundant, and boring.
Well, what happened to you?
Literally nothing.
Same with me.
Exactly. We're unfunny people, and our videos are stupid.
Then why do we keep making?
Because it's fun to make. Who cares?
You're calling me not funny.
Yeah. Neither of us are funny at the moment.
Was there supposed to be something funny that happened to me?
Honestly, there has to be something we talk about. I'm not saying it has to be funny, but like...
Nothing happened to
There
me.
has to be something. Yeah. Long story short, both of us are boring, and we have nothing to talk about.
Only in this episode.
Yeah. All we did was literally
Oh, this
nothing.
episode you can talk about your dreams.
I'm not gonna this episode. I'm done with that. I'm over it. Oh my god, I swear I just remembered
Or is
something.
it because that you don't remember it?
No, I remember it. I just don't care anymore. I dreamt about something really weird. I don't remember it. Oh yeah. I dreamt that I drowned in a lake and that I came back to life. That's not my dream, but that's like my dream I had tonight. It was really weird. I drowned in a lake when I was little, and I had like photographs of me drowning in a lake, like, but I came back to life. It was so weird. I don't remember anything else other than I drowned in a lake. And it was like some mystery, like, I didn't know I was dead, but I was like, I found those pictures and I realized that I came back to life. It was a really cool dream. I wish I could remember more, because it was so odd. Da 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 da, I hate this level. Oh my god. Guys, I'm so dumb. I'll be back to you when something interesting happens. Scyther! Never mind. She's a cold-hearted duck. Look at her fat thighs.
Okay.
Did we make it yet? Is the 10th floor the real floor? The good stuff? Is this... Okay, maybe the 11th floor? Is the 11th floor the good stuff? Please? Please? Please be the 11th? Of course it's not. Oh my lord, an executor? Really? Please die. Oh.
No, but why is there a little car there?
I don't know. It's this little taxi thing on Maple Story. It's for something. I don't know what kind of taxi it is. It's just a taxi. That's all that needs to be said.
It says it right there. It says a danger zone taxi.
Yeah, maybe reading is a good thing. Oh look, an orb.
It's that swirly thing.
It's a hurl orb. The swirly thing, the dimensional mirror.
Oh.
You can go places in the
Why
dimensional.
does she look like a spider?
What? She doesn't look like a spider. She doesn't look like a spider. Her hair kind of reminds me of like Arachnia from Monster Musume, the Spider Girl.
No, but I mean like her eyebrows look like small eyes.
I mean, maybe. Her eyebrows look like small eyes.
What is that?
What is what?
Statue.
The little mysterious statue. The mysterious statue. It's so mysterious. Maybe.
Oh, Doug.
Oh, Doug. Where's Doug? Is Doug? There's John.
Doug.
What about Easy or Lidgy? I don't know what that says.
It says Luigi.
Oh my god, die please.
Okay.
Oh my god. I was worried that Trico was about to die because I saw that exclamation point and then I looked at his health. He's at full health, honey. Honey, Trico, you're fine. I don't understand. Wait, did he get revived? No, he definitely didn't die.
What does ECW mean?
ECW? What are you talking
On the
about?
clock.
I have no clue. On Maple Story, there's this character named John, and he has a bucket.
Yeah, I pointed that out.
Yeah, it doesn't make sense to most people,
But it makes sense to
it makes sense to people who aren't uncultured swines.
Hi, that's me.
But you're not an uncultured swine, so
Okay,
it makes sense to you. Oh my god, 12 floors, is good enough for you?
Is the video still going?
Yes.
Oh, I thought it was
18 minutes.
paused.
No, it's still going. Well, I paused it, so. Oh my god, Trico's fighting the air again. Trico, stop fighting the air, please. I'd appreciate it if you'd stop fighting the air. Oh, I finally got that one on camera. Oh my god.
Suction cup.
Don't suction cup me. Let's try a new attack move.
Jacob, does it make the same sound?
No, it doesn't make the same
It
sound.
doesn't.
Oh my god, of course. The first time I use my new attack, it misses.
What tech do you have?
Headbutt. Use.
Head bolt.
Please die. Is he gonna? Does that exclamation
Oh, I
point?
thought he was bleeding. I thought that blue stuff was bleeding. I'm like,
What are you talking about?
he had blue stuff all over his face.
No, he didn't. Fight a sleeping slackoth? Not today, Satan.
Who says that?
Bianca. Bianca says that.
Oh, they said Veronica.
No. Francesca. I forgot Valentina's name, and I kept calling her Francesca because that's what I thought her name was.
I was gonna say, boy.
I wonder if Metapod is ahead. Oh my god, I'm guessing it's Gengar. Hold it right there. Yeah, how'd I know? Keke, you know who's going to get Metapod first? We are. So for you to go ahead, we can't let that happen. Oh my god. What? Hey Gengar. Why do you always mess with us?
Oh, this was. I'm gonna.
You have to be like sassy, like, oh, didn't we tell you?
Oh, I'm Sasa.
You're Sasa?
I'm Sasa.
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 Okay. I can't see it. Oh, didn't we tell you? Our aim is world domination.
Caterpie's mama will give us a generation award. I forgot his voice, but that's somewhat similar.
He has voice.
And Caterpie will join us too. I have gum in my mouth.
Okay. I like
That brings us closer to our goal. And for that, your lot is in the way. I hate Gengar. Maybe I should just change his voice. Gengar, so sorry to say, but your party's over right here and now.
Oh, but his voice is perfect.
Say goodbye, Jacob. God. Please die, Gengar.
Say goodbye, Gengar.
Here's my secret technique. My secret technique. Gravel rock. No, gravel rock. Throw it at him. Take that. Wait, is he gonna pick it up and throw it back at me? Oh, Trico can attack from that.
What?
I'm confused. Who should I attack? Medichan or... Oh my god, I need to move to the side. Trico, come on. She's a cold-hearted duck. Look at her fat thighs. Please die. Of course that doesn't do anything.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, she's dead already. This is easy.
Danger zone taxi.
Oh my god, the taxi. Die, please. Please. Oh, Jesus.
Oh, I thought this is a donation box, but it says donation box.
No. No, I need to heal. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. No, not Petra Berry. Oranberry.
Not
Eek.
Petra Berry.
Petra? Who's Petra?
From story mode.
Oh, Trico, better eat your oranberry, honey. Honey, eat your oranberry, honey. Don't be a dingo.
Don't be a dingo, a dog?
No, that's a type of wild dog.
Yeah.
Trico, stop being stupid and eat your stupid berry. Eat your stupid berry, you stupid poop. Okay, Trico, you're gonna die, honey. Let me tell you. Let me throw my berry at you. Items. Oranberry. Throw. If I throw it at him, he'll eat it. Okay, good. Better eat that berry, Trico. Trico, attack, honey.
I found a cardinal.
You found a cardinal?
Yeah.
Oh no, Gengar put him to sleep. And I can't do anything because I suck. She's a cold-hearted duck. Look at her fat thighs.
It's a red cardinal. I don't know if it's a female or a male.
Cool. Well, the red ones are always male, just saying.
Cool. I found pumpkin.
Oh my god, I have 2 health. I have 2 health. Okay, I have 1 oranberry left.
Eat it, god dang it. Take.
Use the oranberry. But it couldn't be used. What? Now I'm asleep.
Oh.
I'm gonna die. Oh. By some miracle, I'm still alive. Oh, yeah, that miracle. Reviver Seed! I had a Reviver Seed. I forgot about that.
Dang.
Please die, use. That was not good enough.
Gengar, please wake up. I mean, please. No, he put me to sleep. Do I have another reviver seed? Because I'm going to die. Trico, quit being stupid and wake up.
He can't be asleep for this long.
Wake up. Okay, finally. Now do something. Yes, like that. Okay, now get Ekans. Before he kills me.
We'll just snake backwards.
Yeah. Get Ekans, Trico. Oh, wow.
Trico, don't move closer.
I love the sentiment.
You're at 9 health.
He threw his berry at me to heal me.
Aww. That's so nice.
He saved it for me and he didn't eat it when he was at low health. Now, Trico, please don't die, because then that would make this a whole waste. Okay,
I'll
can
make
you
it
quit?
really sad.
Can you quit attacking me? Okay, yeah, honey. Your time is up, honey. Let me tell you. Let me tell you. Bone. No. Bone Club. Yeah, dead. 24 damage. Oh, great. Didn't even kill him. Why does he have so much health? I have so much god dang health. Please die now. 50 damage. 28. That's good enough. We still won. We won.
Woo. If we didn't have that reviver seed, we would have been done.
Yes, we would have been done. We would have been done. We wouldn't have won. Ow. You'll pay for this. Don't you forget it. Yep. Bye. World domination. More like losing domination. I don't know. No one should hold us back. Now, let's find Metapod. Do we have to go through more dungeon, or is he just going to walk out? Metapod talks like Metapod.
Okay, so we should do it together. But that sounds just like Magnemite.
Who do you want to do? Do you want to be him or do you want me to be him?
I'll be him, but how does he talk again?
Metapod. Like, excuse me.
Excuse me.
Metapod. Excuse me.
Nah, you can
Metapod. Excuse me. Jojo may become looking for me. He sounds so boring. I love it. You must be Metapod. Let's get you home. Caterpie was worried about you. Yay. I was scared, so I kept my shell hardened. I waited. Thank you. He's so happy to be found.
I know. Where's the cutscene?
This is great. Welcome back, Metapod.
Thank you, Caterpie. Thank you, Caterpie. He was...
I will always
love you. I will harden my shell for you, Caterpie.
And thank you, Jacob and Jacqueline.
That's not what Caterpie sounded like.
But I don't have any money.
Oh, no. We don't need a reward. We're happy to see that Metapod is safe and sound.
Wash. Moisture than
Cool.
moisture
You're
than an oyster.
You're even more cool than I thought. I want to go on rescue teams when I grow up.
Oh, you'll die.
Haha. That would be great. Chase that dream.
Don't chase it. 'Cause you will
I
die.
have an idea.
Don't chase it and just go drown like Jacob's dream.
Jacqueline, we should do something with this place. We should make a proper rescue team base here. Something impressive.
Thank you. It's so bland and ugly. I'm glad we're like making it like
It's so bland and ugly.
yeah.
It doesn't look that ugly. Okay, maybe it does.
That's
It is
cool.
horrible.
A rescue team base is cool.
You're not invited. Go run home to mom.
Okay.
I'll go kill myself. No.
I want to work here when I grow up.
Honey, if a leaf falls on you, honey, you're gonna die.
If a pine cone drops and hits you on the head, you're like,
Me too.
me too.
Haha, that's what we'll do. Let's work hard and build our own rescue team base.
Yay. Make the grass greener.
Yay. Jacqueline and Jacob. Thank you. Thank you again. Okay, bye. Never come back. Be careful going home. Don't get murdered.
You stole my Gengar. I mean, what?
What?
Gengar.
Gengar. Oh.
Gengar.
I thought you said he stole my Kenga, and I was like, what? Your Kenga?
My Kanga is my side.
Your Kenga?
I don't know. Danger zone taxi. I don't know.
John's bucket. Matilda the spider.
Doug.
The mysterious statue. I'm a deckhand. I'm Shadoo.
Shadoo. Shadoo.
Shadow.
Okay.
Sorry. Well, we ended up working for free, but that was all right to do. Trico.
Side. Now you're not like.
We ended up working for free.
They're done oyster.
More Easter than oyster.
And it got a little star in the pants. I don't know.
A little star. What are you talking about?
It's not.
I want
that.
to click the danger zone taxi. Take me to the danger zone.
Take me to the donation box.
Yeah, take me to Dalai or Monk of Hanar.
Take me to Sleepywood. I want to sleep on
Take
that
me
one.
to Sleepywood. And we
Wait,
got
does
to
that
show.
have a death skull?
What? Yes.
That's scary. Sleepywood. Maybe you die in there.
Yes, you get sleepy and you die. Okay, we should probably stop talking about Maple Story.
Okay.
And we got to show Gengar's team a thing or two, so it's all good.
I can't see it.
Oh my god, it doesn't matter.
It does.
Oh my god, we're past 30 minutes. I thought this was going to be like a 15-minute episode.
I just, yeah.
Because it was so short in the beginning, and I felt like it was going to be over so soon. That was a tiring day. Let's do some more good tomorrow. See you. Dream? Can I have a
Please
dream?
be a dream, because I really want to talk.
God of War.
There's no.
Of course I do. I'm kidding. Never in a million years. The next morning,
No dream.
absolutely no dream. You'll see what happens next morning on next episode.
Quick save.
Two.